Good morning, Sam. What a beautiful day. A perfect day for a helicopter flight.
Good morning, Officer Steele. Yes, really nice weather today. A helicopter flight? You mean I should fly with the helicopter today?
Yes, I already discussed this with Tom Thomas. You can start right now. Of course, he will sit next to you all the time. Tom will teach you in helicopter flying.
I think that will be fun. Thank you for that surprise, Officer Steele.
No problem, Sam.
Good morning, Tom. You are really going to let me fly Wallaby?
Good morning, Sam. Sure, why not? Of course I will all the time next to you, Sam. You can do it. Ignition of the engines.
Check.
Now slowly turn the lever up. First we will turn a few laps over the fire station, so you will get a feeling for the controls.
Quite shaky.
Try to keep the machine steady and align Wallaby with the tail rotor. Much better, Sam. Good, Sam. Nice lateral fly. Watch the tail rotor, Sam. Okay, let's go to the lighthouse.
Oh, there's Mike on the lighthouse. Hi, Mike.
Hello, Sam. Have a nice flight.
Oh, what's up? I cannot hold that helicopter in place.
Something is going wrong. I take control. Oh no, I see smoke on the turbine. I have to get the machine down by the lighthouse. Hold on to Sam. We are going down.
Oh no, the helicopter crashed. Sam, Tom. Are you okay?
Do not worry, Mike. I'm fine. I'm just shaken up a bit.
I'm fine too. But I think the machine caught fire. Quick off the helicopter. Now.
Inside the lighthouse I have a fire extinguisher, Sam. Maybe you can use it to fight the fire. I will call the fire station with my radio set.
The helicopter crashed near the lighthouse. Men and women, get into the vehicles. Let's start to roll out the fire hose.
Pooh, that was dangerous, Tom. And by the way, sorry that your helicopter has been crashed.
No problem, Sam. I got a brand new Wallaby. The new one has a completely automatic winch. And offers enough space for 2 pilots. Do we want to try a new flight?
The helicopter looks great, Tom. But I think I'll let you fly first. And again, an exciting adventure in Pontypandy comes to an end. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up or even leave a subscription to enjoy more Fireman Sam movies in the future.